Hello all. Let us begin with the physical properties of alcohols and phenols. Physical properties of alcohols and phenols chiefly depends upon the hydroxyl group. The first one, nature of intermolecular forces. Alcohols and phenols are very polar molecules due to the presence of hydroxyl groups. The polar hydroxyl groups are held together with strong intermolecular forces called as hydrogen bonding. The pictorial diagram to show hydrogen bonding in alcohols and phenols. Second, physical state and odor. In case of alcohols, lower alcohols are colorless toxic liquids and they have a characteristic alcoholic odor. Higher alcohols and highly branched alcohols are solids. In case of phenols, pure phenol is colorless toxic having low melting point solids with characteristic phenolic odor.
C. Boiling point. The boiling point of alcohols and phenols are much higher than those of alkanes and haloalkanes of comparable mass. The boiling point of alcohols and phenols increases with increase in their molecular mass due to increase in van der Waals forces of attraction. This tabular data shows the variation of boiling point. Here we have taken the example of alcohols from methanol to octanol.
Boiling point of alcohols decreases with increase in branching in carbon chain as compactness increases, leading to the decrease in the surface area of contact between the molecules. For example, N-butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol, and tertiary butyl alcohol. When we compare N-butyl alcohol, which is a straight chain isomer, with tertiary butyl alcohol, a branched chain isomer, then there is decrease in boiling point is observed. N-butyl alcohol has 118 degrees Celsius as the boiling point, whereas tertiary butyl alcohol has 83 degrees Celsius as boiling point. Among the four given isomers, tertiary butyl has the lowest boiling point and N-butyl alcohol has highest boiling point of 118 degrees Celsius. This proves that the first fact, boiling point of alcohol decreases with increase in branching in carbon chain, is supported. Secondly, branched chain isomers have lower boiling point than those of its corresponding straight chain isomers. When we compare isobutyl alcohol, which is a primary alcohol, and with secondary butyl alcohol, which is a secondary alcohol, then it is observed that isobutyl alcohol has higher boiling point than secondary butyl alcohol. The fact mentioned here is 108 degrees Celsius as boiling point of isobutyl alcohol and 99.5 degrees Celsius for secondary butyl alcohol, which supports that boiling point of primary alcohol is greater than the secondary alcohol is greater than tertiary alcohols.
Fourth property, solubility. Phenols and lower alcohols up to 3 carbon atoms show appreciable solubility in water due to their ability to form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water molecule. This image shows intermolecular hydrogen bonding of alcohol and phenol with water. A closer look of hydrogen bonding in case of methyl alcohol in water. Solubility of higher alcohols decreases with increase in molecular weight as OH group becomes insignificant part of the molecule and the water insoluble alkane part predominates. Therefore, alcohols of higher order are insoluble in water.
With this, we complete video for physical properties of alcohols and phenols. Thank you for watching the video.